Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of a package that I got here. It's a little tiny package I got from a reseller in Japan, and I got it I think over a week ago. It came, it was already here when I got back from my trip to Italy, and I haven't opened it yet, so I'm going to open it up with you guys. So I love getting Louis Vuitton from Japanese resellers because they just have great quality for a good price. Like, they don't overcharge, and it's always authentic because they're very strict in Japan about reselling designer goods. And so this is what I got. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Oh, and it's in great condition. It's in better condition than I thought it would be. So I got the small toiletry. I think this is the PM size, and it is adorable. The zipper works pretty good, and the interior is pretty clean. So let's see. Here's the interior. It has one little pocket up here, and as you can see, this is used, and it's pretty clean inside, as you can see. And here's the Vachetta. So you can see, I mean, it has a nice caramel color on the Vachetta, but nothing too crazy. And the zipper, I'm probably going to clean this. I have a video that I posted on how to clean your brass zipper and how to clean any of the hardware. I'm going to link that video down below, so if you want to check it out. I talk about how to clean the canvas, the Vachetta, and the brass hardware. Yeah, and here is the zipper pull. Let me see if I can show it to you better. Oops, sorry. I don't know if the camera is picking that up. The zipper pull has a little bit of tarnishing, but not so bad. The zipper works pretty good. Oops. Actually, there's a little snag over here. Okay, I know why. There's like a little piece of thread that's coming up, so I'm going to tuck that thread in so it doesn't snag onto the zipper. Yeah, the zipper works, and overall the interior is really clean. It does have a little bit of a vintage smell, but I'm going to air this out so that the smell isn't going to be so bad. So yeah, this is super cute. It's in great condition. I got it for a great price. I got this from a reseller in Japan. I'll link everything down below of the reseller information. He has great products. I'm super happy. I've always wanted this small toiletry bag as a makeup bag. I'm going to use this as a makeup bag and put my my makeup in here for like my larger bags. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching it. If you like videos like this, follow me here. So hit the subscribe button down below. You can also follow me on Instagram as well. I post all my finds on Instagram. It's Designer Haul. I'm also going to post that link down below as well. I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.